This is a simple way to make sure you are preserving your food waste. Quote unquote waste. It's not really waste, it's just best to convert this into fertilizer. So I make this fertilizer with eggshells, banana peels, and citrus, lemon peels. You can also use probably key limes or limes as well, like lime peels, but I would more so stick with the lemon peel just because this is what I have experience with. And what else? That's it. So yeah, eggshells is super simple. Eggshells, banana peels, and lemon peels. But another thing that you can add to this as well is cinnamon sticks. Now, I don't have a lot of cinnamon sticks, so I don't put cinnamon in this, but you can definitely put cinnamon sticks in this as well. And as you can see, the water levels are like a little low. It's because I just added some more banana peels that I was saving from my bananas, and also eggshell that I was saving. So, it's so important to save these things, you guys, and not turn it into just, throwing it into the trash because that's wasteful. So, yeah. So I just like to fill it all the way up to get it like fully immersed in there. You don't have to fill it all the way up, but I like to. And there you have it, you guys. You got fertilizer. Um, you can let that sit for fucking ever. Let it ferment and feed it to your plants. Feed it to your vegetables and all the goody plants, all the goody goods, fruits and vegetables. Probably gonna give some to my cantaloupe plant because I low-key did something that I shouldn't have, high-key did something that I shouldn't have done. I was impulsive in spraying. I noticed that something was biting and eating my cantaloupe leaves, so I sprayed the closest thing to me, which was so stupid in gardening, which I know, have a lot of experience with gardening. And once I did it, I was like, ugh. And then I just had my leaves, some of my leaves just withered the fuck away, but it's still there, it's still growing, she's still strong and beautiful. So, yeah. Peace.